In front of me is LG Velvet, and let me show you how to activate automatic system update on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select system and go to about phone. Now scroll down and click on software info, where you will notice build number. Just hear it 7 times, and as you can see now you're a developer. So let's go back, and as you can see developer options appeared right here. Smoothly open it, and right here you will notice automatic system updates. So if you would like to apply updates when device restarts, just mark it here, and now it will be done automatically. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, smoothly by tapping here. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.